interior BYD Seagull. 3 times the ocean vibes punch. Warm white color totally melts your heart. The crystal eyes can light up, paired with matching wheels. The car is 37.8mm long. The wheelbase is 2500mm. Small and easy to park. If you are a little forgetful, you just take your phone when you go out. Supports Bluetooth key or NFC car key. Let's unlock the magic details. Inside and outside match perfectly. Wing-style inner door panel. Cool cyber-style air vents. A 12-point and inch dancing screen pattern. Play it your way, vertical or horizontal. One-piece halo leather seats. Looks more premium and easy to maintain. Fold down the rear seats for 930 liters of space. Bigger and more spacious. Let's drive and give it a try. Don't let the price fool you. It has a BYD God's eye light, smart driving, auto parking, small size, big power. BYD Seagull, your cute companion for every day. If you want to import this car or print Chinese car, contact me, YOUHU, your reliable partner.